my name is Eric. I'm from Vista. My experience took place when I was 22 years old. I was part of a mammalogy class at San Diego State University, and what we did is we had a field trip. And in the field trip, we went and met at the Santa Margarita field station. I think it was like at midnight until 5 o'clock in the morning. And what we did is we had set out traps in order to collect mice in the fields to determine what was happening to the K-rat population, because they had decreased so rapidly over time. And what we did is we every hour went out and checked traps and determined their species by using a dichotomous key we had created in our classroom setting. And we were with about 25 different people within the class, and we spent our time examining the different mice, and the hardest part was actually getting them out of the live traps that we were using. We would take the live traps and set them and put seeds inside them, and when they would walk in, it would set the trap, and boom, they would get caught in the trap, and it didn't hurt them at all. But the hardest part was getting them out, and there was concern about the hantavirus and contamination from feces from the actual mice. But what we did is we actually collected them in little plastic bags that were where we could just get them close enough to actually see their pelts and the coloring on them to determine their types of species. We'd record it and report back to our professor. Probably the best part about it is our professor was really laid back. He was having a blast just being out there with us, and it was very informal, but we were learning what was going on with the K-rat population along with the mice population and how many different types of mice there were located in the area. And we found a very large, significant increase in the K-rat population, which kind of surprised our professor over time. So it was the best experience because of the fact that we were all out there together in a completely different setting. We were not bound by our desks or working in a laboratory. We were out in the field doing real work and using what we had learned, and I think that was the best experience ever.